Welcome to this session about the new updates for Adobe Express. I am in the new Adobe Express webpage, a different home screen on which it is focused on the following things. For example, if you want to create social media posts, if you want to create videos, if you want to create photos, documents, and even marketing materials and even generative AI. So if I click on your stuff, you would see all of my assets from the previous versions to this version would be migrated into this portion of the screen. Something that's new inside of Adobe Express is that you have now the integration for Photoshop and Illustrator to Express. So let's dive in. And how can we do this? Let's go to the home page, and you would see there is a button called Start from Your Content. If I click on that, this will enable you to upload your Photoshop or Illustrator files and convert it into Express files. So I'm just going to go to my desktop. I can easily upload a specific like project. Let's click on this PSD. It's maintaining as much as possible every layer that you have on your Photoshop file or even Illustrator file. I'm going to demonstrate this to you. Let's click on Open in Editor, and it's that simple. You can easily convert your PSD files, and you would see that this one is already linked. And if I zoom here, you would easily see that I have the following layers. Okay, so let's click on that, and you would see I have the following layers all intact. So I'm going to demonstrate the next one, which upload an Illustrator file. Let's go to here and import file. So let's click on open, and again, it will evaluate the file and it will convert it with the layers intact. You can easily edit the text. You can easily and I encourage you to try something inside that file. And this one is a pretty small file, as you would see here. Let's click on editor, and let's go here. You would see that all of the layers, if I click on that, this one is a group. Let's go and ungroup it, and you would see all of them would be like preserved, on which you can easily edit. For example, if I want, I can just easily edit this to the 12th of November. Easy as that. So that's how you can use Photoshop and Illustrator now imported in Express. Let's go back here and let's try another one, which is the new support for PDF. So you can now import PSD, AI, and even PDF. So let's click on that. Let's try to import a PDF that I have with me for this demonstration. So as you would see here, it has read that it has this design. It's now converting it into an Adobe Express file, editing. So let's click on Open in Editor. I'm just going to move here. And as you would see, all of this will be preserved. You can easily like create edits on this. I can easily do some effects. For example, this one. So that's one of the new things inside of the update for Adobe Express, and I'll see you on the next video.